hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit. Yeah. Let's open the pussy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be like a maintenance vlog slash get ready with me to go out of town. So I'm gonna tell y'all where I'm going, but not really. So I'm going to Mexico, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what part. Y'all will just see in the next video. So I got a couple things that I gotta do. Today is Monday the 25th and I leave on Wednesday the 27th. Y'all know me, I'm always doing things last minute. This time I really didn't do last minute. Like I have all my outfits, I just need to pack them in my suitcase. And my hair is done, so instead of wearing a wig, I'm just gonna wear my U-part wig. I watercolored it the other day black, so it's blending in pretty good with my hair. So I'm just gonna wear this. I feel like it's gonna be easy for me. I'll be able to take it off when I want to, and all I would have to do is just manage my hair. This goes to about like my waist. I don't know if I'm gonna do this yet or not, but I wanted to get some like longer bundles. See, one thing I was last minute on was my hair. Like I wanted longer hair, like 30 inch to like 40 inch. I didn't think about that till last minute, and no hair was gonna be able to come in. So today I might go to the hair store. I just wanna see if they have any like, you know, just some type of bundles I can add in this wig to make the length just a little longer. I'ma see. I'm really not that pressed, but I'm just gonna go look and see what they have. Other than my hair, you see my lashes. These are not lash extensions. I'm not doing lash extensions this time because I always pick them out, and I want to be able to take my lashes off too, because I don't think I'm going to be wearing lashes the whole time down there. So I want the option to take them off, but these kind of look like extensions. These are really cute. So hair done, lashes done. I'm editing right now, but in about like 30 minutes, I'm going to get my toes done. I'm going to go to the new nail shop to get my toes done, and I'm going to go to my old one to get my nails done. My old one is more expensive, but they just do so good. I like the new place, but they don't do my nails as good as my older place. What I'm gonna do is go to this new one, get my toes done, and get my nails soaked off. I still have this French tip from when I got them done for the wedding, so we have French tip and white toes. I don't want white. I don't think I'm a white toes girl anymore. I want to go back to my French tip. I want to do something like this, but I'm gonna do this next time. I just seen it last night, and it's just too late to book, so we'll try this a different time. So look how they're like cheetah print. That's real cute. We're not doing all that this time. I'm just gonna get white tip, and then for my nails, I have no idea, y'all. I don't know if I want like claws type almond shape. I don't know if I want like tapered. I know for sure I'm gonna get them, you know, pretty long or longer than this for sure. I need to confirm with my dog babysitter. Are we good for Wednesday? I'm gonna have to drop her off like early in the morning Wednesday before we head to the airport. Angel has to have like a real babysitter, y'all. One time I took her to like the boarding place, and I got her a luxury suite with a TV in it, you know, just a luxury suite, not a crate, because I never rated her, so she's not used to that. Okay, she lives a very bougie life. She doesn't do so well with things like that. So I got her a luxury suite, and then I left. The first day, y'all, they was calling me. They called me and said Angel was sick. She was not sick before I dropped her off, y'all. So I'm like, what do you mean she's sick? They're like, she's bleeding when she's peeing, and just weird things like that that she wasn't doing before I dropped her off. I don't think I was gone for that long. I think it was like 2 or 3 days. She was like in the hospital section the whole time. They said even when they put her with the other dogs, you know, for playtime, y'all, I even paid for extra playtime. So when she got her playtime, they said she would just be in the corner shaking. Yes, I'm talking about you. next day, and yesterday the only thing that I was able to get done was my eyebrows, my toes, and my nails. Y'all can't really see my nails because the sun, so I'm gonna put them on the screen. So I just found this design on Pinterest. On Pinterest it was like square nails, so instead I got claws, and then I just got my toes French tip, and instead of the nude base I did a pink base. So yeah, that's what's going on over here. You know, got the claws and stuff like that. That's the only thing I was able to get done yesterday, because just getting the takedowns and just having to get my feet soaked and then pedicure and just do all that. And y'all know I went to 2 different nail shops, so I felt like I was just at the nail shops all day, and then I had to go back home and finish editing. But I ended up not even liking the video. I just want to completely do it over because I felt like I can do it better. But then I was like, let me go ahead and do these hair videos I had to do. So I ended up just doing those. I started to take things I knew I wanted to take on my trip out, but I just went to bed last night because I was like really sleepy and tired. So yeah, today I'm gonna pack and show y'all some things later on at some point today. I think I'm supposed to be going out to eat or for drinks or something today too. But yeah, it is the last day to get things done because we leave in the morning tomorrow. But right now I'm finna find me a little something to eat, because we don't really got no groceries, and I don't want to get groceries before I go out of town. I never buy groceries before I go out of town. I just do that when I get back. I need to go to Best Buy. If Walmart don't have them, I need to get some more film for my little Polaroid camera, and then I need, and what else did I say? Then I need to go to the bank so I can get some cash. I wanted to take some cash with me so I wouldn't have to try to find a bank. I know some people who's already been to Mexico. Some places you can use cash, and some places you have to use pesos. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm so excited. I never been to Mexico. Every time my mom went, I wasn't able to go, so I always missed the trip. I've been to the Bahamas before. I've been to Costa Rica. I've been to Hawaii, Puerto Rico, stuff like that. So I've been places, but I just never been to Mexico. This is my first time in Mexico. Like I said, I'm not gonna tell y'all exactly what part of Mexico. Y'all just gonna have to see in my next vlog. I cannot wait to vlog for y'all. Like, I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can, but I also want to live in the moment. So it'll probably be like more scenery and vibes and not so much talking, y'all, because I really, really want to just enjoy my time, you know. From the store, I'm about to start packing. I want to be able to pack everything before we go out to eat or for drinks. I don't know exactly what we're doing. I think we're going to 13, so I'm about to get the packing. I never told y'all why I'm going to Mexico. It don't have to be a reason. Sometimes I go on a trip just, you know, just to go on a trip, but it is a reason. This time it's my boyfriend's birthday, so that's one of his big gifts from me. He getting flued out, like, period. And it's his first time going out of the country. He ain't gonna never forget about me. This one for the books, boo. If you're watching this, then I said what I said. So with that being said, I just thought to print something off before I got home. Y'all finna be like, this girl extra. So I don't know if y'all been seeing on Instagram the you wanna go out of the country with me, and then the girl responds real bad. Like, I know he not gonna say real bad, but it's just funny because it's been all over the internet. I printed it out. So I'm going to have it like on the counter with his passport cover. Well, both of our passport covers. I got us these passport covers. So if you're planning to go out of the country anytime soon, I'm gonna have these linked in my description, and also anything else that I say in this video that I remember to put in my description. Okay, your girl is ready to go out the country. I was gonna do like a happy birthday balloon type of thing there. I felt like it was too expensive, and I felt like they wasn't gonna do like a lot, air up some balloons that said happy birthday, and that was it. And I just felt like that wasn't enough, so I just didn't do it because I don't want to be disappointed and get less than what I paid for. So we just not gonna do that. I try to figure something out if I can. But yeah, I got my toiletries and everything. As I was packing, I found this bag that I bought a long time ago, so I'm gonna use this for my makeup or something. And then I found this bag too. I don't even know when I bought this or even why, but I'm gonna put my jewelry in here. Y'all, I'm just like, I just have so much to pack, and like, I don't need to pack all of this. Our flight is tomorrow on the 27th and we leave on the 30th. I don't need all this stuff that I'm trying to bring, but I'm gonna bring it anyway. I ended up getting that Valentino Perfume. I don't think I was vlogging, I told y'all this. I went to go find some perfume. I tried it on in the store. I really liked it, but it smells so good. A lot of the girls love this one, and I agree. So I'm gonna take this. Then y'all seen at Target, I got the Black Girl Sunscreen. I'm definitely gonna need some sunscreen out there, so you gotta have your Black Girl Sunscreen, okay? And I have the Anastasia Shimmer Body Oil. I'm about to be out there in the sun. I need my skin glowing. Oh, it smells good too. This is what I got yesterday from H&M. Just some cute white and gray type of pants, but they're flare at the bottom. But I think I'm wearing this today with a white tank top. And then I bought this cute cropped hoodie from H&M. And you can tighten it at the bottom. I just love how it fits on. Like, it's a small, but it's still oversized on me. And it's just so cute. Wait, this is a medium. I still like the way it fit, but I was trying to get a small. I thought I grabbed a small. Anywho, it was $15. So let me show y'all some things, and I'm gonna get to packing because I gotta get stuff done. Taking this bag, y'all seen this in one of my last vlogs. I got some like gold accessories. I couldn't find none of those like chunky bangles and stuff, so I just have like regular gold bracelets. Then I got these earrings for when I want to wear my hair like in a ponytail or something. These starfish earrings to wear with my starfish dress. Y'all gonna see it. I'm about to show y'all in a minute what that look like. And then I'm bringing my Versace shades. Y'all, I love Versace shades. I just want to be cute. Like, you never know, I might need it. Then I got these off Pretty Little Thing. Cute. And then my fave pair. I might not even wear these on this trip, but I'm probably gonna take them. Like, I might wear them. Like, I don't know. I might, but look, y'all. I got these off Amazon. So boom, got that. Shoes, sandals. I just got a lot of sandals, flip-flops, nudes. I gotta show y'all my favorite pair of shoes. I got these from ASOS. I'm really kind of mad, and y'all know what? I'm probably gonna email them because I ordered these shoes and they look like they've already been worn. Look, but they so cute. They're a big platform heel. I don't think I'm wearing this nowhere. It's just for pictures that I want to take. But yeah, they came looking like they was already worn up, torn up. So I'm gonna take a picture of these and email them, because no, I need a new pair. I need something, a discount or something. I really need to pack. So I'm gonna show y'all a couple more things, and then I gotta turn some music on. I gotta get to packing because I feel like I've got nothing done. Here's a bag I got off of Pretty Little Thing. I don't know if I'm gonna take this yet or not. I'll just see how much room I have in my suitcase after all this stuff. Here's the starfish dress that I was telling y'all about. That is on my website. Yeah, I plan to wear this for like dinner or just pictures or something like that. And I could not find any shoes that I wanted to wear with that dress, and I was on Pretty Little Thing and I found the perfect shoes. I just love how it has all the colors that the dress has in it. It has the pink, the yellow, and then orange strap. So cute. Then I have this black swimsuit. It goes with the bottoms to it. Then I plan on wearing this hat, but y'all, so I ordered another hat and it doesn't come in till tomorrow. This one is just so big. Like, this one is so big to just be wearing. So I had bought one that's a little smaller. It's still big, but it's just a little smaller. But I'm gonna just take this one. It's a whole umbrella blanket in one. So the rest of the stuff is kind of just like throw on. Two-piece. I have another dress right here. These shorts, I don't know if I'm gonna wear these or not. And yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start packing so I can get ready for tonight. And so when I get back home, I don't have to do anything, okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go out to the bar, eat, whatever. I don't know what we're doing yet. I'm running late. It's 5 o'clock and I'm supposed to be there at 5:45, and I'm 30 like some minutes away, like maybe 45. I don't know, so, but I gotta go. This is what I'm wearing. Balenciaga bag, crop top, just chain, the sweatpants that I got from H&M, and my Gucci tennis shoes. So yeah, I gotta go. Bye, Ange. Bye, girl.